Hello everyone, welcome to SM Automobile. Today we are going to review the Oreva Adidev electric scooter. This is a low speed electric scooter, so we do not require license and registration. It consists of 12-inch tubeless tires, and this is the telescopic suspension in the front, and these are the indicators embedded within the body. This is the side look of the electric scooter, which is neatly designed. It consists of BLDC waterproof motor, and this is the Adidev badging on the side. This is the footrest holder. You get extra side guards as accessories, which provide good protection to the scooter. It consists of pillion grab handle, and this is the tail light. It consists of dual shock absorbers at the rear. Now let's check the under seat storage. You can open the seat from rear itself. This is the MCB switch, and it consists of USB charging point by which we can charge the mobile phone, and it has decent storage place. Though you cannot store a full-faced element, you can easily fit a half-face element. And this one is a lead acid battery model. It has a charging time of 6 to 7 hours, and this one is a multifunctional key, and this one is the headlight switch and the boost button, and this is the digital speedometer. Now let's check the lights. These are the indicators, which are halogen, and you can see the side guards also, which are embedded to the body, and it consists of LED headlight, which provides good visibility and low power consumption. And this scooter consists of side mirrors, which are easily adjustable as we do in the four-wheelers, and we can adjust it accordingly very easily. It has wider view, so it provides good visibility. The switchers are of decent quality, and this is the digital speedometer, which displays the speed, kilometer, and the battery status in volts. This scooter has a speed of 35 kilometers per hour. Though it shows 27, it can easily attain a speed of 35 when you compare with other petrol scooters traveling beside you. And now let's check with the boost button. The boost button helps to increase the speed by 5 to 10 kmph, by which you can easily overtake the vehicles. By pressing this button for 5 seconds, you can notice the speed increasing. The lead acid battery scooter has a range of 60 to 70 kilometers on a single charge. You can also use a lithium ion battery, which is removable, and this one is a 40Ah 48 volt battery, and it has a warranty of 3 years. The lithium ion battery model has a range of 120 kilometers, and it can be extendable accordingly. It can be extendable up to 200 kilometers according to the driving range with 2 lithium ion batteries. And this is the under floorboard storage place, in which you can store the extra battery or even luggage if you are not using a battery. There is no problem with the ground clearance of this scooter. It is 160 mm, and the loading capacity is 150 kgs. You can even take the test drive of this electric scooter. The parts of this electric scooter are nicely fit, which avoids unnecessary sound. It consists of motor and controller warranty of 3 years and a charger warranty of 2 years. And the beside mentioned is the cost of repair of these parts. This showroom is Rahul Electric Vehicles, which is located near Kottapet, Hyderabad. You can Check the complete address in the description as well. This is the toolkit of this electric scooter, which is also designed by the Oreva group, and you have completely 8 screwdriver set in this kit. This Oreva group has been in the electric scooter field since the past 12 years, and the fit and finish of this electric scooter is better, and you can notice when test driving this scooter that the part shaking sound is less. So you can see the 8 different screwdrivers neatly put together in a single unit. The cost of this electric scooter lead acid battery model is 48,000 rupees, and the lithium ion battery model starts from 67,000 rupees. This is the front storage place, and this is the luggage hook, and this one is the external charging point. The lead acid battery model warranty is 1 year, and the lithium ion battery model is 3 years. This electric scooter uses drum brakes in the front and rear. This scooter can be easily used by elderly people and college going students, as it does not require license and registration. You can see the lithium ion and lead acid batteries both can be used as mentioned. The charging time of the lithium ion battery model is 4 to 5 hours. Now let's check the charger of this electric scooter. This one is a 6 ampere charger, and the lithium ion battery can be charged even by removing the battery. So people who stay in the apartment can also easily charge the lithium ion battery model. The lithium ion battery weight is approximately 12 kgs, and this is the for the lead acid battery model. You cannot remove the battery, so you have to plug this charger to the scooter itself. You can easily plug in like this, and the other end should be connected to the 250 volt 5 ampere power supply. You can easily carry the charger under the seat, and you will be also getting a card with this electric scooter, as this is non-registered. This is the ARAI certified card, so you have to carry with you whenever traveling with this scooter. These are the 3 different electric scooter models which are available. You can also check these video links in the description below. Thanks for watching the complete review, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.